Howdy, howdy, Rock Tumblers. In today's video, we're going to do stage 4 in Lower Tone 33B Rock Tumbler. And if you followed my other videos, you'll see that I've been doing each process along the way. So I keep this off, as I've mentioned in the other videos, because I live in a very hot area. These naturally run hot anyway, but I keep this off because I'm literally sitting in my garage and it's 91 degrees right now. And so this supposedly helps it breathe a little bit, even though they naturally run hot. So we're gonna use, I've got this dedicated everything barrel, brand new. Got the aluminum oxide stage 4 polish. So we'll go ahead and fill up barrels here with my stage 3 rock. And we're going to make sure we've got a mixture of sizes. Not too hard to do given what I got here. So these turned out really smooth and are looking really good. So I'm really excited to get these polished in this stage. All right, so okay, so we're going to put 3 tablespoons of the aluminum oxide polish 1000 grit. As you can see, I'm not mixing super accurately, but I'm keeping an eye on it. Okay, and then we're gonna put water in here till it's just below the rock, top of the rocks. And just like that. Occurred to me I've got a few uneven ones here. I got a little rushed here. My bad. Grief. Okay, so I've got the water, I've got the polish in there. Get these lids on here. These seal really good naturally on their own, so I mean they just go. Lids on. You got to make sure they're sealed pretty good on the edges here. You got to really push it down. And tighten those up. By the way, if you guys like my videos, why don't you boop the like button, please? That would help me greatly. I appreciate it. I love making these videos for you guys. So, all right. So, there we go. Get that in there. All right. Get this plugged in. This will naturally walk towards the motor. Let this run for about 5 days. We'll check it from there. Thank you so much.